In the past, deleting unused files on WhatsApp was very difficult to do, but now WhatsApp has a feature to clean files more easily. How to do that? After you open WhatsApp, you need to click on three dots in the top left corner or top right corner. Choose Settings, and then select Storage and Data menu. This. Choose Manage Storage. Now, WhatsApp automatically define larger than 5 megabytes files that you can click, and you can select all and delete. For example, I just to delete 2 files. Then you can also count delete one by one, like this. And in here you can see there is the size appears in the right pane of your chat, that you can define the bigger files on your chat and you can delete them. That's all tutorial how to clearing WhatsApp files.